How to get a price adjustment on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. First up, what exactly is a price adjustment? On Temu, a price adjustment means that if the list price of the same item, same color, size, etc. from the same shop is reduced within 30 days of your purchase, Temu will refund you the difference. However, items that are promotional, no longer available, or on clearance may not be eligible. Now let's jump into the steps to get your price adjustment. Once you're at the home page, at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of view, then head towards the option of your orders. Now in this page you will find the list of your orders. If you have ordered something from Temu before, you will find it here. Select the order that contains the item you want to price adjust. Once you find the item, click on it, then look for the request price adjust button. Once you find it, click on it. Enter the new price of the item and hit submit. Temu will review your request and if approved, they will issue a refund for the difference. Now here are some important things to keep in mind. You must request a price adjustment within 30 days of the purchase date. The item must be its in original condition and must not have been used. The item must be exact same as the one on sale. You can't request a price adjustment for a different color or size. Temu may charge a restocking fee for price adjustments. And that's it. Now you know how to get a price adjustment on Temu. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.